Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to find or how to customize your profile section on your account on Rednote. So the answer is easy and quickly. Just go to the enter the application as you see, and here you will find the profile on the bottom on the right. Click on it, and as you see here you will find profile. Click on it, and here you can, for example, you can change the profile, and you can change you find the Rednote ID and the birth date. You can add your birth date here, and that's it. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.